Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I'm gonna talk about what I did for 4th of July week. This is Beverly Hills Rodeo Shop area. I'm gonna check some items in some stores, so let's check it out together. I wanted to check some Fendi check collaboration item, but then it was launched like 2 months ago. Everything's pretty much sold out. So I'm gonna pass these two brands this time. I love the pin concept like earrings. Yeah, but it's all sold out. So I wanted to check some summer items from PRADA. So let's check it out. They have a cute summer tote bag and bucket hats. Also, I love the sporty style ready-to-wear. These are basic style neutral color tote bag. Love this yellow bucket bag. Oh my gosh, I love the vibrant colors of raffia hat and tote bag. Love the color of these wallets. Ooh la la, this is bling bling, so shiny. These necklaces are like eye candies. I love this silver necklace. Which necklace color would you pick? I would pick orange and yellow. Love this blue triangle as well. Okay, these are my picks. I was not sure which one I'm gonna get, but I love this raffia bucket hat, but it was a little bit running small, so go for bigger size if you can choose. And I love this mini bag. Bling bling crystal is stunning. Really wanted to see in real this raffia tote bag. There are two kinds of shape and so many colors. I love this round shape as well. What would you pick? Which color would you like? So I'm gonna try on only these two pieces of ready-to-wear. I love this denim top. It's so chic. There are different color and material. There's a nylon and denim. Which one would you pick? I'm gonna try this black denim. How about this short pants in nylon? There's another color as well. So I tried to match these two pieces together, but I think you can wear like t-shirts inside the bralette. This denim bralette is so chic. Yeah, I love this pants as well. It's so comfortable. I love this casual, sporty style. The outfit goes well with this raffia bucket hat and raffia tote bag. What do you think? I thought the tote bag gonna be really big, but it was not that big than I thought. Love this crystal mini bag. So chic and cute. It's gonna be perfect for any outfit. So it was 4th of July week, and it was my birthday week as well. So I went to this restaurant in Melrose. Just for your information, this restaurant open from 5 p.m. during weekdays, so go weekend if you cannot go at nighttime. I ordered shashuka. Also, I love this drink. It's a lush lemonade. I highly recommend. Woohoo! It's my birthday. This cake was on the house. It was so delicious. This is on the top of the building, and this entrance is perfect photo spot, so don't miss it. I made my own cake, like Chanel themed. On July 4th, I went to Santa Monica Pier. There were not many people than I thought. I'm gonna go to amusement park. Probably gonna try Ferris wheel. It's been a while I've been here, so yeah, it was kind of fun. There are many casual restaurants, so you can try one of these. Finally arrived at Pacific Park. There are so many vending machines for the tickets, so you don't need to buy from ticket office all the time. I'm gonna try this Ferris wheel, Pacific wheel. Let's see. I think I've been here like a few years ago, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. Whoa, that looks intense. Finally, I'm on the Ferris wheel. I can see this beautiful Santa Monica scenery. Love this beach breeze. You should try. It's so refreshing. There's an aquarium at the end of Pier, so you can visit there. It's a good photo spot on the bridge. My gosh, so many people came to the beach. The weather is perfect now. It's pretty high, so you have like a fear of height. Then I don't recommend. Next, I stopped by arcade. They have so many things inside, so you should try. They have a hot dog and burger, so you can try these. Finally, fireworks time. It's around 9 p.m. Yeah, all over the LA, you can see the fireworks everywhere. Beautiful night view. Cheers! Enjoy the 4th of July fireworks!